confidentially identifies those who may need help and or drug treatment. Mandatory drug testing will also be a way of promoting a safer, happier, smoother environment. Universities would include mandatory drug testing in the tuition fee in order to require the students to take the test before they could enroll themselves in the institution. The mandatory drug testing payment can be viewed in the same way as paying the medical checkup of the students also required by different universities. The importance of mandatory drug testing sets a standard for those students who are under the university policy. When an exam given by a professor was accepted by the students, they know that it is an important factor of drugs. In the same way, mandatory drug testing should be accepted by the students because it is also an important factor to the students learning and having life creativity. Mandatory student drug testing foremost the prevention of drugs. It creates cultural disapproval, lower the future use of data. How can you say that you mean that if the student won't be in the mandatory and the mandatory drug testing, he won't involve in the university. Therefore, you are violating this for education. You said a while ago that when a student can enroll in a university if he doesn't undergo in a mandatory drug test. When a student enroll in a university, he is already under the university policy. The preventive program aims to achieve the following goals. First, is to prevent students from using any kind of illegal drugs. Second, is to identify students who have already started using this kind of drugs. And third, so that the school administrators and the parents would help their students to get away from drug dependence. And lastly, to resist peer pressure of using drugs among the students. As the Prime Minister of the government side, I will talk about as to how mandatory drug testing would empower students against the use of illegal drugs. The main idea of this bill is that mandatory drug testing will prevent students from using dangerous addictive drugs. The premise of this idea is that prevention is the basic way to stop abusive use and addiction. Illegal drug use can turn to abuse and then lead to addiction. But preventing students from using this can save them from ruining their life and destroying their future. Drug testing has been proven to be a helpful tool in preventing students from drug abuse. Drug abuse not only distracts students from learning, but also disturbs the environment wherein they belong. Repeated drug abuse can even lead to serious problems, such as loss of desire to fulfill obligations in school, frequent absences, misbehavior, and social problems. Mandatory student drug testing under a university policy could broaden prevention of illegal drug abuse among students. The primary purpose of drug testing is not to punish students who use drugs, but to prevent and help them from being drug dependent. Like for example, according to a study published in the Journal of Adolescent Health, a school in Oregon that randomly drug tested students, athletes, had a rate of drug use that was 1/4 that of a comparable school with no drug testing policy. In another study, Hunter M. Central Regional High School in New Jersey saw significant reductions in 20 of 28 drug use by seniors dropped from 13% to 4%. This goes to show drug prevention through mandatory drug testing can be an effective tool to put a stop and reduce drug use and abuse. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, members of the House. We on the opposition side totally opposed what the government side has been said. Because Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, members of the House. We on the opposition side totally opposed what the government side has said a while ago. Because undergoing a mandatory drug test is not the only way to prevent or to put a stop to drug addiction. There are certain influences that the students may adopt, his barkada, the media, and the environment he is not. To continue with my case, mandatory drug testing in universities do more harm than good. As the first speaker, as the leader of the opposition, I will talk about how the mandatory drug testing in universities violates human rights and adds burden to the family. Mandatory drug testing invades the privacy of a person as well as it adds burden to a family. Drug tests commonly a technical examination of urine, hair, blood, semen, or oral fluid samples to determine the presence or absence of specified drugs or therefore metabolized traces. student institution. Yes. A while ago, you said that mandatory drug testing put in place the human rights of the student. How do you think so? Because according to the Fourth Amendment, each person has the right to privacy to secure his private life and not to show it publicly. In the context of today's drug addiction, implementation of mandatory drug testing invades the privacy of the person to private human rights. Testing without grounds of suspicion is valid for its mission. When a student undergoes the test, this will show that his or her private life will show to the public. Students who are innocent to this student might be afraid for the fact that they will think that they may be misjudged by the people. Also, tuition fees will get higher because of this. It will add additional expense to the family, and several stakeholders will definitely affect this kind of thing. First, those people who are taking drugs and affect their performances. Obviously, there's no need for mandatory drug testing because we can see if that person reflects his performance for using drugs. Second, those persons who are taking drugs and not affect their performances. And last, those persons who are not taking drugs and the students upon the test. Not all tests are accurate. The test might give a false positive to those who are innocent and negative results to those abusers. If this will happen, his or her right will not only be violated, but he also wastes time and money, and also will be judged by the people and will create a great fee. For example, an average student in Grand Albert High State, Oklahoma,